Assalam Alaikum students, welcome to the Bright Future Academy. Today we are going to discuss in detail support and movement. In the context of science and the pretext of biology, support and movement means the support that our skeleton provides to our body, and as a result our body moves. This is called support and movement. So let's discuss what is human skeleton. Skeletal system or human skeleton is defined as the framework of hard articulated structures which is known as bones that provide physical support. Physical support while running, walking, eating, reading, swimming, jumping, etc. Attachment for skeletal muscles, that our muscles are attached to the skeleton, and protection for the bodies of animals. And if there is no skeleton in our bodies would be just a pile of muscles. So there are two kinds of skeleton, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Endo means inside the body. It means those animals that have their skeleton inside the body is called endoskeleton. For example, humans. Exoskeleton. Exo means outside the body, and the skeletal system of some invertebrates, for example, arthropods, is on the outside of the body. For example, cockroaches, etc. What are those functions that the skeletal system performs in our bodies? The big functions of skeletal system are protection, support, and movements, while our body is performing its various activities and actions. In our body, skeleton works very closely with the muscular system to help us move, because our muscles are attached with our skeleton. Similarly, skeleton provides protection to many internal organs. For example, skull. Skull is a hard articulated bone which provides protection to the brain. Vertebral column protects spinal cord. Spinal cord is the extension of the last part of the brain that is extended to the vertebral column, and ribs protect most of our other internal organs. For example, ribs provides protections to the lungs, liver, heart, kidneys, etc. Vertebral column also provides the main support to our body mass. If vertebral column is fractured or not being able to perform its functions well, the body will face difficulties in performing physical actions and would not be able to even stand on his feet. Components of human skeleton. Our body is made up of 206 bones, because in an adult human skeleton there are 206 bones that are organized into a longitudinal axis. For example, axial skeleton, to which appendicular skeleton is attached. What is axial skeleton and what is appendicular skeleton? Let's discuss. Axial skeleton. Axial skeleton is that part of our skeletal system which consists of the bones in the head, trunk of the body. It consisted of total 80 bones in the head and trunk of the body. It is composed of 5 parts. The first one is skull, that contains 22 bones, out of which 8 are cranial bones. Cranial bones are those which enclosing the brain. And 14 are facial bones. There are 14 bones that are present in our face. There are 6 middle ear ossicles, 3 in each ear. And these are the central and smaller bones that are present in the middle ear. There is also a hyoid bone in neck by which our neck being able to move in the right, left, front or in the backward direction. Vertebral column contains 26 bones that are oftenly known as vertebra. The chest is made of a chest bone called sternum and 12 pairs of ribs. As shown in the diagram, there is a skull which contains 22 bones, out of which 8 are cranial bones that enclosing the brain and 14 are facial bones, 3 middle ear ossicles in both ears. There is a hyoid bone in neck, 26 bones in the vertebral column and 24 are 12 pair of ribs. And what is appendicular skeleton? Appendicular skeleton is composed of the rest of the skeleton of our body and it consisted of 126 bones. Pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle is made of 4 bones. Arms have 6 bones, 3 in each arm. Both hands have 54 bones. Pelvic girdle has 2 bones, 1 in each side. Legs have 6 bones, 3 in each leg. Both feet have 54 bones. As shown in the diagram, pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle consists of 4 bones, 2 on each side. Arms have 6 bones, 3 in each arm. Legs have 6 bones, 3 in each side. And pelvic girdle consisted of 2 bones. Important board short questions, that is, write a short note on appendicular skeleton or what is meant by axial skeleton. There is an important board MCQ is our body consisted of how many total bones, that is 206 bones in an adult human skeleton. Another short question is what is the role of skeletal system and give the difference between endoskeleton and exoskeleton. This is all about human skeleton. If this be helpful for you, leave a like, share, comment and do subscribe. Stay tuned, keep watching.